Hello and welcome to a Crow in her garden, and today is potato harvesting day. These plants have gotten massive and now they've died back quite a bit, so now it's time to harvest them. And here we go, we're back with my garden helper, Peyton.
I already got like half of the plant off. Headshots.
But we're going to pull all the plants out, and they're probably going to be going on your side, okay, Peyton? Because they're going to go up underneath the deck. Remember not to pull the stems. We're trying to get the roots out. That's where the potatoes are, where the roots are. So here we go. First plant being pulled.
Oh my gosh. Oh my, bro, I can't do it.
Dang.
Bro. Put it.
Hey, look, there's a potato.
Mama, help. This one's like impossible
a little one.
to get.
Whoop.
Mama, can you help me? This one's impossible to get out. Oh my gosh. Mama.
Yeah?
I tried so hard pulling it out. Look what happened.
All right.
It's like impossible to get out. Bruh. This. Ah! Still.
See, when you pull up the vines like this and there's nothing on the ends of them, then that means that the potatoes are probably going to be big. Hopefully.
Why can you please help me with this?
Just try pulling one at a time.
Now I'm just. What do you know? Come on. There's a little potato on the surface.
Oh, really? All right.
It's like a bite-sized potato you buy.
That's a good size.
Nothing. Try to chomp it.
Here.
Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Oh yeah! Look at that one.
If we have big potatoes,
Is it getting in the video? You watching the screen? That's awesome, dude. Look at how good that looks.
This is a mini one. Sandy size.
All right.
See? Sandy size.
Oh, just leave that.
I have no idea where that went. Ow. Bro. Again? This thing is like so buried.
All
I
right.
have no idea how much
There's
buried.
one.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my, got one.
All right. Look at them little tiny ones.
I think I couldn't pull it up because this one weird mushroom thing. I don't think none of these are big enough to eat.
I think this one is. And this one. Look, you see that? I think that's the seed potato. This is so fun. I love harvesting potatoes. It's like a treasure hunt.
This thing's still going deeper.
Grab it with 2 hands and pull it really hard.
Fine.
Oh, yeah! Is all that getting in the video? Can you see it?
Boy, he just pulled up his.
Look, right here. This thing got cut in half.
Oh, man.
Mama, take a potato. Yeah, that one time. Not that far.
Woo!
That's like 6 points.
Oh, look at those, Peyton.
Oh, wow! Dude!
Jackpot.
Yeah!
No, that's because I pulled like 6 plants all in one.
There's another one on there.
Mama.
I'm gonna have to get my wheelbarrow.
Oh, that's how many potatoes I got from 3 plants. Hey,
Wow!
count that, another one. I think you've already put a muscle pulling them out.
Have you?
That one that took so long.
Oh, there's a.
Oh, man! Look at that!
I'm getting so.
Dude, you're getting all the big ones.
Oh, there's one right here buried. I can't reach it.
I see it. I get it.
You better get it.
Holy cow. Look at that. Woohoo!
Bro.
That's not on camera. That you got to scoot over more. That now it is.
Yay. Dad, when am I gonna put the carpet back on the floor downstairs?
Whew.
Mama.
Yeah.
More big ones.
All right.
Strawberry.
That's not on camera either.
It's okay. I don't want to be.
Mom, how much mulch did you put in here?
I put a lot of mulch, dude.
I could tell. Bro. Oh, more buried ones. Oh, look, more ones that are buried.
All right.
Who's one right here? See?
Yeah. Holy cow.
What in the? My big potatoes, that's probably the biggest one I'm gonna get.
Look at that potato.
Be careful, it's into the green bean plant.
Yeah, that's all right. Oh, dude, look at that potato.
What? Dude. What in the? Oh,
Woohoo!
Mom, this time we got very lucky on the potatoes.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm coming on that side. Pull the last one.
There's still a lot of digging to do on that side. Oh, you want to pull the last plant? Okay. Holy cow. All right, my friends.
Holy cow, what?
We got all the plants out. Now we just need to dig through the mulch and get all the potatoes.
Oh, Mom, can I get the red handle tool to use the shovel side?
No, let's try to get what we can with our hands, because we want to avoid using the shovel if we can, because we don't want to pierce any of the potatoes. This is what we've got in the box so far.
I just found it right here.
All right.
Right in the dirt. Bro. How much mulch did you put in here?
A whole bag.
Why? What's the point?
Because it works. Obviously, look at the size of most of these potatoes. Whew.
I forgot to spray my face with a bouquet. Blood to the face. Nothing right.
All right. Hey, look at there. Woohoo.
Hey, look here. I can barely dig. Because I'm put like a pound of mulch in every spot I dig. Bro!
Oh, look, more.
Pushing them where I'm digging.
Sorry.
What?
Silly boy. Whew. Look at that one. Come on, Peyton. Push the mulch over to the side. All right, dude.
Hey.
Woo, here's another one. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at the size of that one.
Finally found some.
That skin is so thin. It peels right off with just your finger. All right.
What? Sandy could probably eat that if we chopped it up. Let's find another one.
Sandy can't eat potatoes. She's allergic.
Wait, what?
Careful.
I got it.
Look at there.
I scraped a lot of skin off.
Yeah, you got to be careful. That's what I'm saying. This is why we're using our hands instead of...
It's deformed.
Woohoo!
Do you want a rock in here?
Is it a rock?
It's a rock for sure.
Well, just throw it under the deck.
No, under the deck.
Oh, here's another one. Woohoo! Oh man, look here.
I didn't.
You got to dig down pretty deep, dude.
Oh, I see another one, Peyton.
Did I see? I'm deeper
Yeah.
than you.
Good.
I'm deeper than you, Mom.
All right.
It's a competition.
No, it's not.
Oh, I see a bunch of them.
Oh man, looky there, dude. I see 2. I see 3. Get up underneath the potatoes. Woohoo!
So, to be honest with you, it kind of looks like a bell pepper.
All right.
There's one more.
Really?
Yeah, I see it.
I see. That's
Big-
Oh, that's a big one.
It's a big chungus.
Mm-hmm.
Right there.
Yeah.
You know what that meme is.
Mm-hmm.
Big chungus.
Woohoo!
Bro, there's a potato all the way over here.
Really?
Oh my gosh. That scared me. I think it was like a big roll. Ew.
It's just the way the soil is.
Yeah, I need to
Look at all those potatoes.
Yeah, this is like where all
And
the
we're not
bugs
even
live.
done yet.
Huh. I'm not digging there because that's like where all the bugs live.
Yeah, it's where the wood is starting to rot.
Yeah, but
On my
there's a
garden
potato
bed.
in there.
There's a potato, you see it?
Look, this was connecting into there.
Well, just do your best.
Yeah, who knows what bugs we'll find in here. Bro, how's that bug me on bugs right?
Oh, wow, here we go. Oh man, looky there. That's the seed potato
Ew.
I planted.
Found another one.
It's all.
Found another one. Yeah.
Yeah, look at you there. That's a good size one, dude.
Bro, this thing's a big chungus. It won't come out.
Oh my gosh, I think that's the biggest one. Don't scratch the skin. Get your hands up underneath it.
I can't.
Look at you. Yes, you
Wow, that's
did.
huge.
That's a baker
I
right
think that's
there.
the biggest one you ever had.
Wow.
Done.
Holy cow.
I bet you get deeper, right?
Mm-hmm.
Bro,
This is awesome. I think this is the best potato harvest I've ever gotten.
you think?
Yeah, I'd say so.
When we get second half of Fortnite,
No,
why?
I'm watching something.
Okay, I'll go back downstairs then. Mama, look what I found. Some nut thing.
Okay.
Acorn.
Thing.
Here, you want to hold?
There, there.
Hmm.
Whoa!
Keep me out of it.
Why? Oh, well, that's found another one.
Oh, here's one.
Hold on.
There's another one.
Gotta break this one. Yeah. I'm gonna. Found another potato. I gotta break this whole wall down. This is basically the Great Wall of Dirt.
Mm-hmm.
And knock off Great Wall of China. Bruh. Looks like a mini bowling ball. Mama, bowling ball incoming. Strike.
All right.
Yay. Is that nothing? That's some clay.
Whew. Yep.
Oh, dang.
Woohoo.
Oh my gosh, bro. Do you see how deep I'm digging right now?
Yeah, I think you probably have dug deep enough.
No, I don't think I have. I still see the stringy things. I bugged to the ear. Yeah, I found bark.
Mm-hmm. Put it back in. No.
Leave it in.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Bugs are still attacking me. Yeah, these things keep on going down. Down and down.
Whew. Golly, it's hot out here today.
It's summer, Mom.
Oh, wow.
No, you literally almost killed him. Wait, you said we couldn't use that, Mom. Mama said
Oh
we
my
couldn't-
gosh.
Mama, you said we
That's
couldn't-
even bigger.
Mama,
Wow.
Mama, you said we couldn't use that tool.
No.
Well, there's probably not any potatoes down here anyway. I'm just checking.
Here. Thank you.
Fine. Bro. No. See, I almost wanted it, just like you told me I would.
Silly boy. You need to calm down.
Ow. Can I go?
Right there's one.
Can I stop?
Yeah.
Sure. Bye.
Wash your hands.
Okay.
Oh, I'm not going to fool with that. That little one. Whew. Oh my goodness.
Now you need to dig this side.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Boy. I only planted 9 potatoes. And 9 potatoes got that so far. And I'm not done yet. Whew. You want to follow me around to the other side?
Or can I stand right here? That'd be better to see. I could just pause it.
Moved over here to the other side. See how much we can get over here. Whew. This part didn't get dug up at all. So I'm sure there's some down in here. Whoop. It's okay if you get my hands in the video. I like how clean. They were pretty clean. I think I'm almost done. Whew. Peyton dug pretty deep on this side. Oop. All right, I think I'm calling it. So, show the camera one more time on the potatoes. I think this is the most potatoes that I've ever harvested. I planted these in March, and now we're basically almost in July. Very successful harvest. Thanks if you've been watching this whole video. Thanks for sticking around. I hope you have a great evening and happy gardening.